Hey, I'm Joanna. I was a vegetarian for 25 years. In this video, I'm trying Jack Links Jerky for the very first time to find out if I was missing out during all those years of being a vegetarian. Feed your wild side. First up, we have peppered beef jerky. Let's give it a go. It kind of smells like bacon. The dog has arrived. Great, let's go with a little piece to start. It's got like a barbecue flavor. Oh, you're gonna hear some crying going on. It's chewier than I would like. It's definitely got like a real meaty flavor, which actually was part of why I became a vegetarian, because I didn't really love the flavor of meat. Okay, it's got like a barbecue sauce kind of taste going on. So these have 9 grams of protein, 80 calories for 2 pieces, but like some pieces are like this. And then like some pieces are like this. So like what is the 80 calories? Like what really is happening? Can I feed this to my dog? We're gonna find out. Oh, it's tough. Someone's happy now. Okay. Just reading the back of it, I will say, like, I don't love what's in it for health reasons. I took off the dog collar so that we don't hear any jingling sounds. Reading the ingredients, not that I expected these to be full of lovely things, but we got beef at the top, which is awesome. Water, sugar, brown sugar, sea salt, black pepper, flavors, soy sauce powder, wheat, soybean salt, yeast extract, hydrolyzed corn protein, maltodextrin, cultured celery extract, dried beef stock, citric acid, pineapple powder, smoke, and it contains soy and wheat. So if you're health conscious and you really care about what's in your stuff, I don't know that you should be eating processed jerky, but that's just my opinion. Sweet and hot. And it actually has like one of those little protectors in it, which I think is supposed to like suck out the liquid in the air. Like, isn't that what you get in clothing? I don't know if I want that in my food. 10 grams of protein, 90 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 0 trans fat, and 9 carbohydrates. Meat doesn't have carbohydrates. It smells the same to me. Okay, when I really take a big whiff in, it's got a little bit of spice smell. There's not a lot in here for the price you pay, I will say that. Also not a lot in a bag of chips when you buy those. Here we go. Oh, this one's not as chewy, so automatically I like it better. The sweet and hot is a nice flavor, and it doesn't have that same like meaty kind of flavor to it, if you know what I mean. If you're a meat eater, I feel like you should know what I mean. It's like not gamey, but like meaty. Like if you're just eating a steak, like to me that's meaty. I don't love it. It's okay. This one has less ingredients on the actual bag, so I like that better. Beef, water, sugars, brown sugar and sugar, sea salt, flavors, yeast extract, cultured celery extract, dried beef stock, citric acid, pineapple powder, I guess for the sweetness, and smoke. So to me, this is cleaner, which I like. I mean, part of being a vegetarian, when I was a vegetarian, there was not a lot of processed food. So like I really did mainly eat like vegetables and some soy products and like legumes and beans, because a lot of the products that exist today just did not exist when I became a vegetarian in the 90s. Gotta seal that up for the freshness. Let that little doodad do its job. Teriyaki. The dog is on the other side now, hoping that I can see him better over from this angle. Oh, that smells like processed teriyaki, like chemically teriyaki, not like yummy, delicious teriyaki sauce. 11 grams of protein, 80 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 0 trans fat, and 6 carbohydrates. Beef, brown sugar, water, soy sauce, powder, water, wheat, soybean salt, sea salt flavors, dried beef stock, cultured celery, extract, spices, pineapple powder again, and smoke. Jack Links is liking the pineapple powder. I'm gonna try a smaller piece. No. I read that this is like one of the best ones and just those flavors don't go together. Ugh, why? Ugh, no, I'm not. Ugh. Comment below if you would like me to send you my opened but only one piece eaten Jack Links Teriyaki, because I think it is fucking disgusting. Fed it to the dog and he seemed to like it because he is crazy. Okay, so do I feel like I was missing out for 25 years being a vegetarian and not having Jack Links Jerky? My final answer is no. These are not so delicious that I feel like I was missing out over the 25 years that I was a vegetarian. Now, maybe there's a different brand that I was missing out on, but this is not it. So if you have a brand of jerky that you love and you think I absolutely have to try, like vegetarians are missing out, let me know in the comments below and I will go and have a look for it and I will let you know. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.